So for £2.97, you can win this Ford 7810 Series 3. It's been that well restored that it looks even better now than it did leaving the factory. Come here, let's show you. She's got dual power to handle that tough stuff, air conditioning to keep you cool while you pretend you're working, and a straight pipe to let the neighbours know you were on your way long before you've arrived. She's got brand new BKT tyres all round, brand new mudguard skins, a digital dash, and a sunroof, because even tractors like this deserve a wee bit of luxury. She's got a brand new seat, absolute immaculate interior, and a sunroof. Add in the weights and a towing eye at the front. Kaboom! £2.97. Get across onto the website, get your tickets bought, and you never know. Today could be your lucky day.